Thank you bafowethu, welcome back to Nkuli Soccer. Si live ku Omni Audio Africa. So ningasithola ku TikTok, ku YouTube, ku Facebook ke. Igama lami uNkuleko Mdluli kodwa ningazi ngoNkuli Soccer. Asingeneni ke soqala ngeze Kaizer Chiefs bafowethu. uLebohang Maboy uyayibulala iKaizer Chiefs. He was one of the best players ku Kaizer Chiefs last season but manje uyobulala iKaizer Chiefs. Undaba ku Orlando Pirates akekho ready ukureplace uHoto. Ngicabanga ukuthi uHoto mela replay alo retire na 41 ayikho le ndaba le kandaba. Ubamba ibhola la wonke umuntu egroundini but aka create ama real opportunities for Orlando Pirates. And then as for Mamelodi Sundowns usale ngwenzani? Sundowns ishintsha impilo yakhe emnika icontract enkulu efat bafowethu right but uqhomela iMamelodi Sundowns. Wenzani lo mfana? Cause sesike sayibona le move before ama players amaningi a different babanika ama contracts right babona ngathi bafikile babona ngathi yabona baphethe umhlaba wonke. Usale ngwenzani? Aba round yena bamthanda ngokweqiniso bafowethu kumele bamtshele iqiniso. Usaleng in the next 5 years ufuna kuba ukusebenzela uNkululeko Nkeyo no Junior Khanye ba analyze noma uzohlala la eceleni kwami. Ngayenza lento yenzayo Saleng. But ke soqala ngeze Kaizer Chiefs, the greatest team in the history of South African football. Ngaphandle kwe Kaizer Chiefs alikho ibhola lase South Africa. Siqaleni ngoLebohang Maboy. Maybe nithukile niyamanga ukuthi why uNkuli ashintsha itone yakhe ngoLebohang Maboy. Uyiplayela good kakhulu for iKaizer Chiefs. Sibukelile igame bafowethu lesibuya kuyo. uLebohang Maboy akafuna ukuphasa. Ngeke uluze ibhola kayi5 egamini eyodwa. Well inom ukuthi vele ungaluza ibhola but ibhola lisenyaweni la zakho uLebohang Maboy. Ufuna ukuliphusha kakhulu. Angimazi ukuthi wenzani. 82 minutes. Umbona ukuthi ugreedy ke manje uLebohang Maboy. Angazi noma badlalela ukutrenda ku Kaizer Chiefs or badlalelani bafowethu cause if you are a good player siyakubona mfethu but share ibhola nabanye abantu. Uphili no 86 minutes uphili ubamba ibhola ufuna ungene egroundini ufuna ungena manje egamini uzama ukubasherela unika ubamba ibhola unika uLebohang Maboy uthi nginike back ibhola uLebohang Maboy uyashaya. Why? Cause abafuna ukuthi ashayine uphili ngoba uyazifikela lapha na ku Kaizer Chiefs. Abadlale eziteam bonke bafowethu baba ama team player. You good player Lebohang Maboy but phasa amanye ama players wakho. As for ama player ulo Mfundo Vilakazi we good player but is not ready ngishilo na last week ukuthi is not ready to carry no, maybe to carry a Kaizer Chiefs and we elevator ibe ku next level. Umfethu yabona lento le mabayichaza bathi play off the ball. Siyazi ukuthi abantu abaningi abayi understand nami being confused. Ngibone esidini uThabiso Munyana obamba ibhola esidini ne comfortable on the ball. Umfundo Vilakazi akarana akamnika ama options a right ukuthi amphase kahle. And Umfundo Vilakazi if uThabiso Munyana ubamba ibhola kahle ku position right Umfundo Vilakazi uyakwazi ukurana and then leyo nto leyo I draw ama defender away ithatha attention away from umuntu ophethe ibhola because bayazi ukuthi Umfundo Vilakazi u dangerous but akakwazi ukudlala off the ball. Babafundisana ku Kaizer Chiefs. Ngaqala ukubukela Umfundo Vilakazi na 14 udlala same football elibekadlala ku students mabamsayina uKaizer Chiefs ibhola lakhona likakashintshi to this day likakashintshi ayikho into engiyibonile mina kuMfundo Vilakazi ukuthi improvile. So this masiyam ukuthi lo Da Cruz uzoba nesikhathi esina futhi akwazi ukumthwika lapho nalapho uMfundo Vilakazi cabanga ukuthi une great future ku Kaizer Chiefs but into esibulalela ama player kakhulu bafethu so siba celebrate early. Umfundo Vilakazi when he was 15 when I was watching him nami ngiyamthanda Umfundo Vilakazi besim celebrate but uthi uyabheka ukuthi simcelebrate ukuthi uphasa kamnande uphasa bhekele into esicelebrate but isifuna into direct bafethu ama players akwazi manje ukudlala ibhola lisemuva kakhulu bayalibamba ibhola ku Kaizer Chiefs abomfundo baya dominate play but ke final third abazi nokuthi benzeni. Ababukela ama under 12 ase Spain bafethu babone ama under 12 ase Spain ku SuperSport 4 babone lamanda 12 ukuthi ibhola lisimple kangakanani like ama senior. Imagine a team ama under 12 ase Spain but ahlula ama players wethu akubhethwe Premiership kanjani. Yabona ukuthi sine problem serious. As for Mtasingwa hayi bafethu ngeke yazi bakuthengisela ingulube esakeni and oyibonanga nokuthi ingulube noma yini bavele bathi khona into ekhona la isakeni na uthi hayi ngiyayithatha ke le Mtasingwa ku Kaizer Chiefs you gotta have something man ushukela nyana noma kuthi udlala njengoKatsando udlala njengobani but kumele sikubone ukuthi Mtasingwa bamsayina ngama videos wakhe i-compilation yama video lapha na online ukuthi hawu uyakwazi ukuphasa ibhola is a good pass off the ball. You know why? Beka excel eTanzania bakunika ifreedom yakhe ukuthi ubamba ibhola utrap ku Betway Premiership immediately utrap abafowethu bala so Mtasingwa asitholanga ngesikhathi ukuthi ashaya ama fancy passes wakhe. Ucela uyawazi lama fancy passes kaloka Mtasingwa same thing but nocele naye same ngeke uthi ucela usamfuna usayine play efana nocele straight futhi ucela ungcono kunoMtasingwa ucela kalimali uMtasingwa bekaphukile 2 years udlale how many games in 2 years angithi bekadlala lapha eScandinavia bekabuye country nakho udlale how many games last season udlale 6 games phela Kaizer Chiefs yathi yilo ke iplayer leli lizo replace ucele udlala iphi position uMtasingo bafethu udlala iDM because if udlala iDM akakwazi ukumaka ayikho itackle engiyibonile mina ishayile ngathi hayo what a tackle from umchiti ayikho ne1 beku easy ukuthi bambhithe lapha neswini ubani unhlanhlazwane lapha badominateile bonke ku Kaizer Chiefs badominateile I think uOx Mthethwa in terms of ukumaka ubetter than uMtasingo akumela protect defense angithi but uhlulekile ku protect defense khona la bekumela make khona but uyawela uMtasingo nah sobona maybe uzo improve uzokwazi ukuadjust ibhola lase South Africa as for Peterson udlisile uPeterson bafethu ube ne good season last season ngeke ngayisho lento last ukuthi abantu badla oboPeterson badlale ngoba icareer or icontract yabo Kaizer Chiefs iyaphela bafethu udlale kahle kakhulu last season uPeterson but manje ubuyelile ulo uPeterson esimaziyo mfethu novuma lela bhola belingeke lingene uvuma isaka uyawela isijumba but bengeke bamkore lapha I mean iposition yakhe poor angeke ukuthi ugoalkeeper ibhola lile like there's no danger uKaizer Chiefs banama players I think awu7 lapha close to the boxing i3 kuphela weGolden Arrows akekho futhi oku dangerous position ukuthi mabangafaka le bhola leli uzokwazi ukulithola akekho noyedwa bafethu uPeterson yena uphumile epalini noma kuthiwa lo muntu vele bekashaya straight uPeterson bengeke akwazi ukubamba lela bhola shout out to Ushezi but ukumaka kwa Frostler fethu wonke ama opportunities abawa createile ku Golden Arrows bangene ngeside la ka Frostler wonke left back eKaizer Chiefs ubani ileft back eKaizer Chiefs uFrostler ugudi meliphethe ibhola but ukumaka uyahluleka ukumaka ngicela bafethu online lapho nisijoine ni engage nathi if khona ama questions enifuna ukwabuza ningasibuza ama question ni engage khona inumber yethu if nifuna ukusifonela straight ku WhatsApp bafethu khona nayi number yethu sisibheke le number le before ngikhohlwa 078 777716 nayi number yethu 078 777716 manifuna u-engage nami uNkuliswa hayi ukuthi ngazi everything bafethu khona izinto esingabonisana ngazi angithi so mawubheka iKaizer Chiefs beyiba exciting man uBatman what I love about uBatman akana speed akekho super that creative but uyazama bekazama ukuya phambili uBatman washayile ama cross uzamile ukuthi taking players on baline laphana alifaka ibhola but mabalibamba abana plan as for uNgcobo una how many years ku Kaizer Chiefs una 8 years or 9 years thola golden opportunities I think uthole 3 ama chance uNgcobo can shoot uslow ekhona labamshaya khona ngetrupasi ngathi umzimba wakhe uyamsinda waya blo Ngcobo lingana namphela uNgcobo besilingana yabo uthi ngakanani bafethu noNgcobo beyingaka ngeke udlale ku professional setup 8 years 9 years bafethu uhluleke nje uku-anticipate pass ukushaya khona labamnika khona ibhola litrap ushaye fast or ushaye same time uhlulekile hayi khona la bekumele mfethu just shay target ngcono ukhipha alivimbeke alibamba ukhipha aliblock ukhipha wakha amability. So if iKaizer Chiefs izocompete local even on the continent amaplayer afana nabo Ngcobo bazocompete ngawo iKaizer Chiefs iyadliwa bafaka uNdlovu hayi bokuyicomedy ngeke angeke uNgcobo and uNgcobo iKaizer Chiefs iyadliwa ungena ushaya ikhumfu style yakhe ukhahlela abantu cabanga iyadliwaiteam ubamba ibhola noNgcobo akana plan ufaka uIgadaro. What I don't understand ngeKaizer Chiefs bafethu so ama wingers wakhona awekho close ne strikers akhona omunye umele noma babamba ibhola omunye umele like why bangabi ne shape different once babamba ibhola bayabona ukuthi okay le team idlala low block bazama ukuba close ukuthi noma if ulo uphili uyakwazi ukubitha one umuntu and then unama options maybe 3 or 4 ama players akhona but no iKaizer Chiefs ihluleke akulike I was disappointed you dominate the ball but awuna plan lapha naphambili. But shout out to iplayer elifana noThabiso Munyane bafethu. What a performance from uThabiso Munyane. Again, iKaizer Chiefs ifuna uku-attacker ngoThabiso Munyane. If imagine u-attacker nge-right back. If i-right back ifila ina plan then anikwazi ucreate ama opportunities as a team. iKaizer Chiefs disappoint. Ingiphoxile mina bengifuna ukubona i-semi-final whether i-semi-final yama big teams whether iKaizer Chiefs versus Sundowns Orlando or Soweto derby ke besizokwazi ukuthola leyo big semi-final ku-MTN 80 but iKaizer Chiefs ithe no thina sifuni i-MTN 8 ubani uthi sifuni i-MTN 8 and uDa Cruz uthena they're not ready to compete sengiyambeliever kuDa Cruz say they are not ready to compete so le ndaba leyo compete abakhohle so uDa Cruz uthe ufuna ama players ayi4 ingakuthi akwazi ukucompete. Kaizer Chiefs ingawasayina ama players good, ingawasayina ama quality players, but bayakwazi ukudlala as a team na. The answer is simple, no. Umdusha balala ufuna ukushaya out of 18. Uke wakora kuphi umdusha balala ngaphandle out of the box umdusha balala uyambona is taking the shot. Uke wakora kuphi out of 18. Noma boy naye out of the box hulu. So yeah, kumele bazama ukuba ne style esi different. Even ne bench le Kaizer Chiefs mele lizama ukuba strong. But I think into ephindi bashaya ku Kaizer Chiefs badila nama injuries amaningi again. Cabanga Ethan Cheslett, uSilva, ngeke sibabaleke oShinga nabo Doti nabo bani maybe currently ama players are injured ku Kaizer Chiefs maybe u8 if not 9 or 10. But ke laba bakhona bathola ama opportunities why they don't give 100% for a team because ama fans awona ndaba nokuluza but uluza kanjani. Are you committed enough? Noma uthola ama chances uyawasebenzisa ama chances watholayo na. Phela iGolden Arrows ayidlalanga kule game le. Ayikho into eyenzile iGolden Arrows bafethu. Azange kube icreate izinto obonayo na ukuthi okay iyakwazi ukumatch iKaizer Chiefs beyifela iGolden Arrows but ke ikwazile ukuwina. Angazi ke nina bafethu ukuthi nibona kanjani indaba zeKaizer Chiefs. But yeah, ama players amanye even nalentwana lezi ezibuya ku DDC team sifuna ukuthi sidlale abohlongwane abomabaso ama players are different. But bafika ku first team enjani? Injani le first team abafika kuyo? I mean yang disappointed le team. You cannot be the greatest team in the history of South African football but udlale kanje. I'll never forget ngise stadium ne kufly amadoda awu2 wase Germany azobukela iKaizer Chiefs. Those guys were so disappointed. They said, "My brother, is this the best team in South Africa?" I said, "Yeah, in 2003." So iso no bafethu hayi so no ngeke because yabona mawubheka like if you from overseas or you from on the continent ama teams ofuna ukwabukela bathi labelungu labafuna ukubona iSundowns iOrlando Pirates iKaizer Chiefs. They watch iOrlando Pirates, they were excited before the season iphela last season. I think 5 games to go babukela iSundowns babona ukuthi amanye likhona ibhola bayadlala mabefika uKaizer Chiefs find iKaizer Chiefs izomkhumbula uLilepo ngoba noma kuthiwa beyiflat last season but ke bekakwazi ukcreate ama opportunities. Uphila uzoba iplayer important ku Kaizer Chiefs if bazofuna ukumdlalisa. Manje bona mawubabheka ama player Kaizer Chiefs anenkinga yomona. Mina umbono wami lo mangwabheka. Fethu as a team you got to have the face of the team. And then sonke kumele sikwazi ukudlalela lo muntu lo making sure ukuthi uyashine ngithi. And abantu abaningi bazo different teams will know ukuthi okay face of iKaizer Chiefs nayo, face of iOrlando Pirates nayo. So isikhathi esiningi mabamaka yena nabanye abantu bayakwazi ukuvumbuka aba contribute into serious. But as for uLina, I think uLina mele akwazi ukuthola opportunity lapha na iKaizer Chiefs. Peter C naye yeah. Khona ama teams angamfanela. But into engithanda kuye leadership yakhe but unama mistake. Well, une mistake eyodwa and lo mistake ikhosi iKaizer Chiefs MTN8 Sport kuma semifinal. Ngazi ke bafethu ukuthi ngicabangani lapho online. Asimuveni ke kwezinye sibheke ezinye if khona abantu abafuna uku-engage abafethu but ngifuna ukumove to okay before smove umdu khona into azoyisho sibheke lapha ukuthi abantu ba react abathini lapha na online kulento lena but iKaizer Chiefs ingidisappointile mina and enye into okay udlala ngasem defenders ez last season unoyinasho Miguel unokwinika obuya ku injury mangimbheka mina ngibona ngathi maybe akakabi ready ukuthi adlale but ke ivele uzodlala ne team efana ne Golden Arrows engeke attack kakhulu awudingi vele ukuthi udefend that much angithi you don't need that thing. Uthabo Mloyisane uzodlala nini or naye basamnika isikhathi ukuthi adjust ku Kaizer Chiefs or maybe baya realize ukuthi no bekungasi mistake ukuthi bamsayine lo muntu lo. Uphili uzokwazi ukhandle ipressure yeKaizer Chiefs. Mdusibeko
sina comment lana ku TikTok uthi Kaizer Chiefs have an attacking problem. Duba is all over the place.
Yeah, ngiyavumelana athi yeah uDuba uyi striker but akahlali ku position yakhe ukuba i strike. But the main reason uDuba umbone all over the place ukuthi vele abana balance, abanayo shape vele ukuthi uyakwazi ukuthola amabhola easy, because uvele ubheke nabo Vilakazi uyalibamba ibhola yenalo akhathe alibuyisele ku 6. uDuba i striker ama striker ku Kaizer Chiefs abakwazi ukufita amabhola. Sibone no Igataro sengena, Igataro bafuna ukushaya ama crosses nje kuphela, and then that thing ku is ukuthi bayiblock. Ucoach udladla ubatshelile ukuthi no Kaizer Chiefs ibonile ukuthi idlala kanjani, abakwazanga nokuyisurprise. Cabanga bahlule kumsurprise udladla lapha badlala i-formation e different noma i-style esi different, because they were predictable. Igataro bafuna ukcross amabhola, makuDuba bayabona ukuthi okay i-height akanawo bafuna ukudlala phansi. So ezinye izinto bezingidisappoint mina mangibukela i-team.
But look at Pili and Mdu. They were supposed to combine nicely, but Mdu doesn't want to play with him.
Yo, what a great comment. What a great. Into engishilo ukuthi kunomona ku Kaizer Chiefs mawubabheka. Bonke badlalela ukushayina bodwa. Umdu, ayifuthi umdu bafethu wangikhumbuza umdu khona labamba ibhola mele aphase fast ulo uku great position uphila ukuthi amove. Akamphasi uyalibamba uyaliholda ufuna ukuzenzela into yakhe. I mean khona izinto man ezincane man eshotayo lapha na ku Kaizer Chiefs, bamba ibhola upass nolebohang maboy khona la kumele ashaye khona i-through pass ubone ukuthi nangu uphila ku 1-on-1 nangu uVilakazi ku position engcono, abaphasani at all. Uphili unika i-option umdu ukuthi ngiphase, awamdu akamphasi at all, ufuna ukukhatha umdu aphase i-simple pass le engayindawo la eswini. So akunzima lapha na ku Kaizer Chiefs. I think kumele bahlale phansi babambise meeting bakhulume nabo abafana ukuthi play as a team. Siyazi ukuthi ku TikTok bazonhlipha, angithi nidlalela ukutrend banhliphe, and mawabheka nalama reels wa ku TikTok asiwaclipa ayikho into abayenza kuveza umdu ukuthi umbonile ukuthi uphase kanjani uVilakazi, kuveza uVilakazi athatha ama player ashaya istyle kuphela, but akupha ama highlights wangempela weqiniso.
And then Maxwell athi they have no patience go build up.
Yeah, i patience abanayo, like okay mina for mina abana plan labantu laba bayakwazi ukulibamba ibhola but abazi ukuthi benzeni. Ngeke njalo wena moyiwinga ubamba ibhola ulibuyisele emuva, njalo ubamba ibhola ulibuyisele emuva. Khona into engiyibonile kuPhilo, okay abanye abantu bathi uPhilo ugreedy lapha bekumele aphase la kumele akeshutha khona ku tight angle, but bekumele enzeni lapha uPhilo useboxini uyabona ukuthi akekho umuntu ofuna ukuthatha i-responsibility ashute straight. uPhilo for mina kumele bamnike i-role akwazi ukulanda ama-player lokashutha, alanda ama-player ashuthe, because akekho umuntu ofuna ukushaya lapha na ku Kaizer Chiefs, akekho umuntu ofuna ukushaya. So ezinye izinto ezingidisappointile.
Umandla man athi back to position 9 where they belong.
Ucoach beka coach eKaizer Chiefs uBen Yusuf uthe iKaizer Chiefs ngeke finish ku top 3. Uthe iKaizer Chiefs ngeke finish ku top 3. Uyabazi labantu laba. Yabona njengoba siyibona iKaizer Chiefs ukuthi idlala kanjani this season, ngoba isizini isaqala. Hayi nami ngiyabona ukuthi iKaizer Chiefs ku top 3 ngeke ilunge. Yabo unless if izinto zeKaizer Chiefs zizoshintsha, but sobona.
Unemali bolo ku Facebook athi Chiefs will be relegated. Wafaka nale sign yokuthi is through nas.
No, i-relegation yeKaizer Chiefs ingacollapse league yase South Africa. Ngeke sikuchaze lokho ngoba inde yinto kufakwe ikadi. So if iKaizer Chiefs ingafinish as number 16 bazo extend ama team.